Travis did it again. It's the Sadie Hawkins dance. I invited him. He said he broke up with Crystal last week. And he fucking didn't. Of course he didn't. Because she's got a big corset guy like a princess plate. So now I'm here stuck at the dance, sitting on the wall. No one wants to dance with me, of course. Because you don't know why? I don't even know what my name is anymore. Who does? Fuck Crystal. Fuck Travis. I'm sick of this fucking dance. Fuck this Sadie Hawkins dance. Who's Sadie Hawkins anyway? Ow! Damn, you did it, Travis.